So this is where I'm going to put all my makeups and my cosmetics. Then I'm going to show you the results of everything. I don't know what to start with, but I'm just going to show you. So here are my makeups. Sawa, enda utolewe na Vivian. Pelekea Vivian akutolee. Si begu ni sim. Peleka. So to start with, I'm going to start with this already packed product. This is my perfume. I'm going to arrange it here. The perfumes there. I have more. Just want them to fit very well. Then I have these two products here. These are my creams from Roran. One is day cream. The other one is day cream. The other one is night cream. Like I use one during the day, the other one I use it during the night. So you see, this is how I'm going to arrange them. I want them to fit very well. And I just angle them like this here. And this one here, that one there. So yeah, this is how I'm going to put them. I want them to fit very well. This one is a little bit big, so I put them there. Then I have this cream, my sunscreen here. I'm going to add it here like that. What else is going to fit there? My body mist. I'm going to put it there. Then what else? I have this zinc. You see, like when the baby is diarrheaing, that zinc that they usually give the baby. So I have it here. I'm going to include it here in this box. There. Then what else is going to fit there? Before I put it there, there's this radio. It's an old one now. If I get someone to fix it, I'll be very happy. So I'm going to add it here. Let me just remove this medicine. There. It is fitting very well. So yeah, that's how I've arranged this. What else am I going to add there in that box? I don't know whether maybe this one is even finished. So this flucloxacillin, I don't need it. So these are the things that I don't need anymore. So this one, I bought this cream and I didn't like it. I don't know why. So it's called anti-aging whitening sunscreen. I don't know why I didn't like it. So I'm going to throw it away. I didn't like it. Those are some of the things that maybe I can add this oil. This is my massage oil. I can add it in here in this basket. You see, it fits so well. This one, let it stay there and see what to do. What else? This is even just a cable, so it's just an empty box. I don't need it. What is this? This is eye drops for Regan. So this one and this one, I can add them here, like the oil stick can go together there because they are going to fit. So I love just to stay like that. You see how it's coming along? I love it. Like the way it is arranged, I love it already. Then from there, what else? This is my water. I usually spray my hair with this small sprayer here. I have so many things in here, like seriously speaking, I have so many things. This one is already finished. I don't need it. This one's at least I have arranged them in the manner that at least they are behaving. So what else do I need? I think the first basket is full already, so I'm going to exchange it here. This other basket. To start with, I put this. I have this micellar water for cleansing my face. By the way, don't mind the wall. Regan is always writing on the wall. This micellar water and my baby lotion. Can put them there. Then I have my oil because I usually use it like almost every time. I put it there. Then I have this. This one is already finished. I don't need it. There's some medication there. This one I'll put it there. Also this one is almost finished, so I don't need it. I'm going to throw it away. I have more soap here. I'm just going to put it there. I can put it like this. I put it this one here like that to save space. This is my acetone, Angelique pure acetone. Salon tested for effective removal, nail polish, and acrylic enhancements. Here, this one. I'm going to add it there. Oops, it's going down there. Then from there, what else? This spray, it's almost finishing. I'm going to add it in here. You must go there like that. Then from there, I have my styling gel. I'm going to add it in there. What else? This is Regan's toy bicycle. It there. Some coins there, some toothpicks. I have my roll-on. I'm going to put it in here. This soap, I'm going to put it in there so that at least I can get some space there. I didn't know I had so much stuffs in here. Like you see, I had so much stuffs. These are sticking glues. We usually do CBC with them. So yeah. So I'm going to finish cleaning here, and I'll show you the final results. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, please. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to arrange my closet. I hope you like it. Like, I bought some baskets and I'm going to organize my closet, especially the the cosmetic area, like where I put my makeup, where I usually put my perfumes, and yeah, come with me, I show you how we are going to do it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I try my best to give you content after content, so kindly subscribe.